So what you'll need is about a teaspoon of flour, roughly 50 milliliters of water, a small pinch of salt, the dumplings of your choice. I'm going to be frying up some gyoza, and of course some oil to fry your dumplings in. Take a bowl, put your water in there, the salt and the flour, and mix everything up until it looks milky and is lump free. Just fry up your dumplings like you normally would. Take a pan, put it on a fire, and put some oil in there. Let it get hot. Once the oil is hot, add in your gyoza. Start them off on the back side and then just fry them on all the sides. I like to fry my gyozas on all the sides. You can prepare yours how you like. If you want me to make a full video on how to make gyoza, leave a comment in the comment section below. So once the gyoza is almost done, place them in a beautiful pattern. Take your solution and pour it in between the gyoza. And now fry everything on a medium to medium low fire for about 5 to 10 minutes until everything is nice and crispy. And there you go, roughly 10 minutes later your gyoza skirt is done. Now just take a plate and flip it. And there you go, you have yourself a beautiful gyoza skirt. Break off a piece and enjoy.